today's session could have not been timed better, and we could have not done it better with industries like pharmaceutical and logistics, who would have potentially used technology to their advantage in the past 15 months. I think we have got a fantastic panel and representation from two large industries per se, logistics, healthcare, and medical services. And today's forum's objective is to talk about how did technology bring that essential edge in business transformation that world has seen across.
Everybody, there was no other choice than to choose the digital, work remotely, and definitely I think our organization was ready with all employees. I think 90% of our employees were with the laptop, VPN, and all core applications available. So this really helped us, and whatever 30-40% the push we have to give, this actually pandemically helped naturally to going. And today we are 100%, I can say, on the cloud and working remotely.
Pandemic has created a situation very good for the IT leaders to reduce their roadmap. That's number one. Normally we say 3 year to 5 year. Now it has been only 1 year roadmap. We have achieved almost our 75% of the journey which we decided to almost in a 5 year RPA journey, which we talking about almost 3 years, to have invoice processing automated by bots and RPA, which has been done within a year. Warehouse management, which is again a purely IoT driven solution. In IoT, there was a compliance issue in terms of your issuing the material to the shop floor, which was a manual operation. By coupling this IoT to my all balances, which are equipment where you actually coordinate, you link with your bill of material, and the exact quantity of the material get dispensed to the shop floors. IT has played a very major role for cutting down the pipeline of this research and development. For that matter, the proper distribution and the proper monitoring of the vaccines.
ट्रकिंग बिजनेस में है, मेनली एक्जिम ट्रकिंग जो मुंद्रा पोर्ट से ऑपरेट करते हैं, और हम करीब 2002 से जीपीएस वगैरह हम अर्ली यूजर है, मतलब 2002 से यूज कर रहे थे, और जीपीएस में ऑलरेडी हमने काफ़ी कस्टमाइज करवा के हमारा मैनेजमेंट पूरा स्मूथ रहा, और हमारा 2 साल में 20% बिजनेस ग्रो हो रहा है ऑनलाइन ट्रांसपोर्ट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। इससे पूरा सिस्टम हमारा स्मूथली चला है, और उसमें अभी हमारे एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से हम और भी बहुत सारा इम्प्रूवमेंट करने जा रहे हैं। तो
organization who are aligned in terms of making their employees and their own ecosystem life easy. So I say this is a transformation journey which any organization in normal terms takes ahead. There are 3 critical parts that we have observed while all these years, and these 3 critical parts were reliability and resilience of the technology, or build partners like us who can probably give them a reliable and resilient technology and viable solution.
The general acceptance of going the cloud way, going the digital way has become order of the day for companies who were kind of operating in a given environment that we were in. And we all believe that the acceleration will continue from here on.